Step one, day one, discover your superpower. Some of you have come into this program and you may already have an idea or some idea of what you want to do. And this is just going to help clarify your decision making and go down the right path. Now, don't worry about choosing a wrong path or choosing just one specific path. We're not married to that idea. We're not married to that career path. We're not going to be stuck in it for years and years if we don't want to do that anymore. We can always reinvent ourselves. That's just something to bear in mind. Now, the very first place to start is your strengths. Think about things that you're good at. Think about things that you've overcome. Ask yourself the question, what is my superpower? What can I help others with? What do people consider I'm good at? So if you don't know this answer, ask your friends and family and just jot them down. Don't overthink this. Just write down as many ideas. So you've got a pen and paper and write them down. The next place to go is to look at your current skills, your skill set that you've got. This might be through your work. It could be anything at all. Just write those down as well. What skills do you have? It could be, say, it could be coding, website development. It could be editing. It could be anything at all. Next, look at your interests. Now, we want to build a business that we love, right? And do the thing that we love. So sometimes we've been put down a career path, and while we've got strengths and skills in that career path, we don't actually love it. It doesn't sustain us. We don't feel fulfilled, and we don't really like showing up there. So sometimes it's better to start with your interests. Say, for example, you wanted to, or you love cooking or baking, for example, then perhaps that's a better way to go down. You might be really, really good at it as well and just never had the confidence to sell your product or teach people how to bake or cook. So consider your interests, because we never want to climb a mountain that we never really wanted to get to the top of. After we've gone through these three things, we want to have a quick look at them and think about what the market needs and wants. This is just a pure hypothesis. What things would people pay for? And we'll dive a little bit deeper into that later. But normally we've got a pretty good idea of what people will pay money for. So again, start with your strengths, look at your current skills. What are your interests? What does the market want and need? And when we combine these, normally we can find the sweet spot for your first profitable idea.